Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you some tips and how to do the reverse green triangle. There's two types of knot mounts. One type is this one, where as you can see the string in the middle, the one attached to your yo-yoing hand, goes through here, and all you need to do is to get out of that is just whip under like a ninja vanish, and that should get you into a green triangle. And the other one you'll see is this one, where it's kind of tangled like that. So you can either do the reverse green triangle or just put a string under and get into the actual like reverse. I'm doing the upside down one this time, so keep that in mind. One thing that will help you with this is knowing the 1.5 mount. That one's like a really basic trick. I think I teach a tutorial on that. Go check it out if you don't know it, because you need to know it for this. What you want to do to get into the first part of it is you want to go into that first 1.5 mount motion, and then you have the front string and the back string. Usually with 1.5 mount, you go under and hit the front string, but for this one, you're going to go behind and land on the back string. And that will get into a weird knot mount. Land on this back string. You could just drop the yo-yoing hand's pointer finger, and now you're into the weird knot mount. From here, you have to take it into like a kind of gorilla mount and kind of grab this string right here. And you're going to want to pop the yo-yo up and hit the top string. You can already kind of see the green triangle forming, which you want. And it takes a while to kind of master this trick and like get it really good. But you're going to hit the top string and let go with your yo-yoing hand. So, let go. And you want to dismount to the back. Try and let it fall off to the back and not the front. So you just pop out and try and like push your hands forward to get that string in front so the yo-yo can dismount to the back. Once again, you get into the back string. You want to pop up, let go, and drop down. This is a very fast motion, so the bigger the green triangle you can get, the better. And also, if you miss the top string, it'll pop into a knot, which isn't really the greatest experience, but it happens. And that's I think I call it reverse green triangle, but I'm pretty sure it's like upside down green triangle, but whatever. Thank you all for watching the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.